I'll be honest, for years I would think, why in this day and age do we still need antiquated technology like a TV aerial to actually watch our favourite programmes? Why can't it all just be streamed through the internet? And then a few months ago, I got a new smart TV in our living room which had this app called Freely. However, still not many TVs have this app, but this is where the Manhattan Aero comes into play. Now, full disclosure, I purchased this little streaming box, so the video hasn't been sponsored, but for some reason it is always out of stock, so I was quite lucky to get it when I did. So if you do see it in stock, then just bear that in mind. But this is probably one of the best streaming boxes I have ever owned, especially for the price, and I love the fact that the interface runs so smoothly. So in the box we get the little Aero unit itself, along with the remote control here. Plus we get the cable for power and the HDMI cable, and we also get the two AAA batteries needed to power the remote. Now, one thing I love about this is the fact that the remote will immediately work out the box over infrared like any traditional remote, but you can optionally set this up to run it to the unit over Bluetooth. This is going to give you more precise functionality. It means that you can block this off behind your screen or whatever and it's still going to work. So yeah, you definitely want to enable that feature. Don't need to have any account. All you need to do when setting this up is pop in your postcode. You don't need anything else. However, if you want to watch the ITV channels, then you will need to have an account with ITVX. It's a free account, you've probably got one already, but you can set that up if need be, and then you'll have access to all of the channels available on Freely. And that will basically be all the channels that you are used to with Freeview. But if you need Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney+, YouTube, Plex in my case, I do love using Plex, plus any app that you probably use that maybe I don't, chances are it's going to be included here because there is a huge list of apps available, and you can easily customize your home screen to only show the apps that you actually do care about. In terms of connection, yes, you can hook this straight up to your Wi-Fi, but it does also include a LAN port, an Ethernet port, so you can connect this hardwired over your network for that wonderful seamless streaming. But honestly, it's 2026. Who wants to be fannying about with TV aerials, especially in rooms where you don't have it, you know, properly wired in and you have to get one of the portable aerials to try and get a signal moving it around? Ugh, let's get rid of that now. We're in a new era. Let's make the most of it. And the Manhattan Aero is definitely a good step in that direction. So like I say, I did purchase it, but as you can tell, I'm also a big fan. I would recommend it, and I hope you guys have found the video helpful.